Boost your English. Understanding. Give someone a boost. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common and useful English phrase, give someone a boost. This expression is widely used in everyday conversations, and understanding it can enhance your English communication skills. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and look at some examples to clear up any confusion. Stay tuned. The phrase, give someone a boost, has a figurative and sometimes literal meaning. Literally, it might mean to physically lift someone up to reach something. Figuratively, it means to give someone support or encouragement that helps them feel more confident or makes it easier for them to achieve something. This support could be emotional, such as offering encouraging words, or practical, like helping someone with a task. Using give someone a boost in conversation is quite straightforward. It can be applied in various contexts, from offering moral support to providing a tangible aid. Here are some key points on how to use it. It can be used in both professional and personal settings. The phrase is often used when someone needs help, encouragement, or motivation. It's a positive expression and conveys a sense of teamwork and support. To help you understand how to use give someone a boost in real-life scenarios, let's look at some examples. 1. Emotional support. After failing his exam, his friends gathered to give him a boost by reminding him of his strengths and previous successes. 2. Professional setting. The manager decided to give the new employee a boost by assigning her a mentor to help navigate her first few weeks. 3. Physical help. I couldn't reach the book on the top shelf, so my brother gave me a boost. We hope this video has given you a boost in understanding the phrase, give someone a boost. Remember, it's all about offering support and encouragement to help others achieve their goals or feel better. Try using this phrase in your conversations and see how it can positively affect those around you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you boost your English skills in our next video.